Hello everyone, welcome to Login Helps. Today we are signing in to our existing TikTok account. Before that, if you are watching us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. In order to log into your TikTok account, go to TikTok app on your device and click it open. After that, this is where you will reach. Now click on the profile button on the bottom right corner. You'll end up to a sign up page. Click that, and right in the bottom, soon after you do so, you'll end up in a login page. Here you can see several options from which you can sign into your TikTok account. Choose one of them. Either you can choose your email or username to login, or you can choose your phone number. Type down your phone number, and after you do that, click send code. Now you'll receive a 4-digit code on your mobile number. Enter the code, and after you do so, your account will be verified and therefore you will be signed in. And that is how you log into your TikTok account. Well guys, this is all for today. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. You can give us your feedbacks in the comment box below, and we'll be back with more tutorials soon.